Fremantle, Perth.
去 museum 前
Okay. Museum
，museum 在那边。
可以过，可以过，可以过，可以过，可以过。
这个就躺着。
这个下湖的。走吧，走吧。小心点。We are now on our way to the Maritime Museum. That is one cute bear bronze sculpture. 你要看哦，我也不懂怎么样组织这好车哦。我还没还钱呢。真的这样 ？Prison 也是要走了。可以那走吧嘞？不那就坐一下再走咯。Nissan Titan 哦，Nissan Titan XD 啊。
中华商会吧。
We are now quite near the Maritime Museum. 一个那个像蜗牛形状的咯。不是哦，那个是什么 Esplanade Museum 好像。Finally, we are here at the Western Australian Maritime Museum. Okay, in the next few clips, I'm going to show you what I saw there. There are lots of photos that I took, but these are some of the videos I took here. I spent around 2 hours here. A lot of things to see and a lot of things to learn. This is the view from the cafe that is located just at the first floor of this museum. 现在卡卡丹累了，你看他累的脸，要 complain 了，然后要车了。
还是很苦。
一个鸟哦，哇，这鸟 friendly 啊，你看它，friendly，鸡高啊。This is the outside of the museum, and there's this boat here. You can visit inside. I think it is part of a cafe. There's this section where you can just enjoy your food. One of the best thing here is that the weather is quite cool. I think at around 20 degrees Celsius. It's quite cloudy. 我很爽哦，这边。不要害怕西哥来追你哦，他会追你的。如果他追你要跑 right 啊，要记得。Lots of seagull here. 你看这是没有景的，好像它没有景哦，是吧？哎，有景，走路没有景这样。I am feeling a bit hungry now, so I'm going to find some food to eat. In front of us is Gage Roads. It is a local brewery that produces lots of good beer in Australia. Alright, now we are going into Gage Roads and check out this place. Is quite massive, lots of distillers brewing beer, I guess that's what it's called. Fish and chips that we ate. That is one of the ferries that bring you to Rottnest Island. Rottnest Island. It is quite enjoyable to eat fish and chips here and look at the boats pass by and enjoy the cool weather. There is another ferry that is on the way back from Rottnest Island. Alright, after our trip to Gage Road, now we are on our way to find the Fremantle prison. Oh. This is quite a nice place to walk around. Lots of nice buildings. Okay, now we are at Fremantle prison. This is no longer prison.
便宜过现在的，
便宜多少呢？
忘记便宜50块。
这便宜过我们住的那边。
还 OK。
This place is currently a UNESCO World Heritage
这
Site.
样子有 exercise 啊。
This prison museum is worth a visit, and there's a tour that takes around 1.5 hours, and it is quite informative from my view. Thank you very much for watching. We'll do a video next time on the Fremantle prison.